Hello, this is Pyle from RankWyz, and this video is on the topic of integration between two services, RankWyz and SiteWyz. SiteWyz is site builder slash hosting solution, and it's specifically designed solution with PBN in mind. You can think of stripped down WordPress, very simplified content management system, but it has all features one need to create variety of sites using different look and feel, different themes, update the content, and deploy them over the growing list of servers. At the moment of video, you can see that we have 100 servers deployed worldwide with the different server providers, different data centers, like provide tremendous IP diversification, and all in order to give our members ability to quickly build and safely deploy large block networks. While SiteWyz can be used on its own, in combination with RankWyz, the combination with RankWyz gives it additional power, because RunQuery has a built-in content module that able to create very rich and, more important, very laser targeted topic-based content that can be scheduled over your sites. Whether you have 10, 100 or 1,000 and more blogs, you can schedule all your posts. RankWyz is responsible for massive backlinking, multi-tier backlinking of your blog networks with the Web 2, social bookmarking, and social profiles, and so on. And RankWyz has a built-in rank tracker, so where you can set up and monitor your campaigns and see the progress of your link building. Once you have your sites built with the SiteWyz and deploy them all over the hostings, and you're now ready to integrate them with RankWyz, you log in your RankWyz account, and you need to go to existing project or create a new project. Let's say I'll go to the demo project. There's no networks inside, and once you are in the project, you need to have existing private block network type of network or create a new one. I will click on new, create a new network, click on type PBN network, give it a name, and select the tier. It will be tier 1. So now within the project I have a network with the type of private block network created. I click on the network name, and I'm inside of the network. The private block network is specifically designed for sites as for so-called self-hosted sites or blogs. Once you go to the blogs tab, you will see buttons you can click on to add WordPress, Joomla, or SiteWyz blogs or sites. By default, you're not going to see the tab for SiteWyz, and in order to activate integration with SiteWyz, you need to go to Tools, Integration, and scroll down, and we'll see the SiteWyz username and password. Once you update your username and password and save it, and go back to your private block network, click on the Blogs tab, you will see SiteWyz button. I click the button, and you'll see that in order to add site, I need URL and SiteWyz API. Go back to SiteWyz, and let's say I have a site that is not integrated with RankWyz, yoga1.ca. You will find API key on the settings, RankWyz integration tab, and you'll see that status is not integrated, and this is a site API. You need to copy it or click on the very right copy to clipboard. and go back to RankWyz. So there you enter URL and paste the site key, API key, and click save, and two systems will be integrated. So once you add this site to the network, you'll be able to set up posting, set up rank tracker, and automatically build backlinks to your SiteWyz sites. I demonstrated how you can add one single site to RankWyz, but of course you most likely build a lot of sites with the SiteWyz, and for that reason we built an option for bulk integration of multiple sites. Go back to SiteWyz, navigate to electrical network, and click on the sites tab. This is where you see the list of all of your sites within the network. On the very right, you click on tools and you pick select export for RankWyz. Now once you open the file, we'll see that this is comma separated file where you have URL of your site and the API key. I copy data, go back to SiteWyz, to RankWyz, click SiteWyz button and select multiple. Paste, and once you click add, all sites will be added to RankWyz. System will contact SiteWyz, will check the API key and the site is present and it belongs to the user with the credentials you entered in the tools integration, and update the status as integrated. Once you import all of your SiteWyz sites in the private block network, you can set up content, you can start backlinking and rank tracking. This is all on the topic of integration between SiteWyz and RankWyz. Once again, you start with the enabling SiteWyz, entering your SiteWyz credentials in tools integration in the bottom, and you have the SiteWyz button in blocks tab of the network with the type of private block network, and you have an option to enter them one by one by entering URL and SiteWyz API, or multiple, and for that you need to export your data from SiteWyz in network sites tools export for RankWyz. Thank you for watching.